fluffy snow to be out in. Very light.
I gotta tell you, man, like it's been a while since I was having to do like Jenga with where I put snow at my house. You know what? You know what I'm saying? Like, like at the end of this last storm, I was shoveling and like walking to another snowbank with it. And I was like, oh yeah, it can be like that, right? And we're going to add to that as we head into the middle of the week, which we'll talk about in a second. Current temperatures 20s, 30s. The mountains are in the teens. Quiet. There are a couple of snow showers out there out towards Sebago Lake. One down into York County. A couple coming out of the White Mountains of New Hampshire too. So we could catch a quick snow shower this afternoon, just over the southern part of the state. The rest of the state is quiet with clouds just increasing. You can see them pulling in from the west and still clear over parts of down East Maine, but that's the exception. Most of us are going to be cloudy up here through this afternoon. But it's quiet. There's nothing really going on other than that isolated snow shower. Temperatures tonight are colder than last night, where we got down to about 10. A couple spots were in the single digits last night. Should be colder than that, closer to 0 along the coast and inland, and then 5 to 10 degrees below 0 into the mountains by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow is a relatively quiet day. There will be an Arctic front trying to come through, so there'll be some snow showers and squalls tomorrow night over northern Maine and the mountains and probably the foothills, and then those likely die out. That's a reinforcing shot of cold air, though. So the second half of the night on Tuesday into Wednesday morning really drops off here again to the single digits, below 0 into the mountains in a lot of spots on Wednesday morning, and that sets the stage for our next storm system, which is Wednesday night. Now during the day on Wednesday looks fine. It's just cold and clear, and here we go on Wednesday night with our next storm that'll move in from southwest to northeast. Models disagree a little bit here on if we will mix at a time that matters, but it looks to me like not like last storm, but the storm before, where we pull out a 3 to 6 inch storm in a relatively short period of time, and that period of time includes the morning commute most likely for a good part of the state. So that storm is Wednesday night into Thursday morning. It should be out of here by Thursday afternoon. It's a little bit more progressive of a system, so it doesn't last all that long, but the snowfall rates and even some sleet perhaps look pretty good during Thursday morning. Then our next storm system comes in for the weekend. So here we are on Wednesday night, Thursday, and it is worth noting the models have a little disagreement here. The European model is warmer with this, but I think it's making the same mistake it did last time. It's really going to be hard to get that cold air out of here. So this is 2 a.m. Thursday. It's snowing, still snowing, 8 a.m. Some sleet mixing into southern Maine. That sleet line might get into the mid-coast perhaps. That would be kind of on the northern side of things. Quiet for Friday and Saturday. Then here comes another one. Saturday night, Sunday. Once again, maybe mixing, maybe some wind with that one too. So busy. Every 3 days, Brian, that's what I said, right? So this one on Wednesday night, Thursday, off the top of my head, is a 3 to 6 with some sleet mixing over southern Maine. That's kind of where we're at with it. But the morning commute on Thursday will likely be less than awesome. Friday, Valentine's Day, looks fine. Some snow again, Saturday night, Sunday. That one has more potential, much like our last. Wait, yeah, the timing is like the same as last week, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we had Thursday and then we had Saturday and Sunday. So yeah, we're on a schedule here. That storm over the weekend, it'll be a question of whether or not it mixes. If it doesn't, it could be a pretty big storm. But
a mix will totally change what's already out there.
Yes.
We'll get into that, exactly what you were saying, where am I putting the snow because I can't move it anymore.
And the other thing is I noticed a lot of roofs have like a ton of snow on them right now, which is fine because it's fluffy. If you bring rain into that, it gets a little bit more interesting. Everything. So yeah, busy.
Yeah, plan ahead. Okay, Keith, thanks.